In 1816, people in North America woke up to snow. In June, crops froze in the middle of summer. Rivers iced over, and across the world, the sun looked dim, as if something was wrong with the sky itself. No one understood why. Farmers prayed, governments worried about famine. Some believed it was the end of the world. This strange year became known as the year without a summer. The cause had happened a year earlier, but far away on an island most Europeans had never heard of. In April 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted in one of the largest volcanic explosions in recorded history. The blast was so powerful, it was heard over 2,000 kilometers away. Entire villages vanished instantly. But the real disaster was invisible. The eruption hurled enormous amounts of ash and sulfur gas high into the atmosphere, beyond clouds and storms into the upper sky where weather forms. There, the particles spread across the planet and reflected sunlight back into space. The Earth did not stop warming, it simply stopped receiving enough sun. Temperatures dropped worldwide. In New England, snow fell in June and August. Crops failed repeatedly. Families abandoned farms and moved west, beginning migrations that reshaped the United States. In Europe, harvests collapsed, food prices surged, riots and unrest followed in several cities. In parts of Asia, monsoon patterns shifted, bringing floods in some regions and drought in others. People did not know about volcanoes affecting climates yet. They only knew the seasons were broken. Imagine living in a year where summer never arrives, where every sunrise brings cold instead of warmth. What would you have believed then? During this dark, cold summer, a group of writers gathered indoors near Lake Geneva because the weather would not allow them outside. To pass time, they challenged each other to write ghost stories. One of them, Mary Shelley, wrote a story about a scientist who created life from lifeless matter. It became Frankenstein. A global climate disaster helped create one of the most famous stories ever written. Eventually, the ash in the atmosphere settled, sunlight returned, and temperatures slowly normalized. But millions had suffered hunger, migration, and economic collapse. Today, we understand what caused it. A single volcanic eruption on the other side of the planet changed weather everywhere. The year without a summer reminds us that human history is not shaped only by kings, wars, or politics. Sometimes it is shaped by the sky. If you enjoy this story and want more hidden events from real history, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.